Hello everyone, welcome to Skillify. Next topic here we are going to say is image process. Actually, what is image processing means we can able to do a specific task in an image or using an image. That is, we can able to do a specific task in an image or by using an image. This is what the image processing. Image processing is a separate module or package in Python. That is, we can able to do a specific task in an image or using that image. So in Python, the full form for here we are using one fill topic which is required for image processing. That is, in Python we will use fill for image processing. For image processing, fill is nothing but Python imaging library. Imaging library. Okay, we are using the package called fill. So that is used to edit the image or resize the image, crop, add, overlap, change color, etc. By using this fill package, we can able to do lot of things inside the image processing technique. So the first thing is we have to install that. How to install? Yeah, we are going to use one pip command. That is pip install pillow. Pip is nothing but it has lot of packages inside the Python. That is, it is a inbuilt one. We can able to get any packages from by using the pip. So here I am just importing pillow that is used for image processing. To install that, we have to use pip to install pillow command. So how to import that? So first thing is we have to install. Here I am installing that pip install pillow. I am already having that, so it will show requirement already satisfied, I think. Yeah, yes, requirement already satisfied. If you guys don't have that library means you can install from pip install pillow command. The next thing is how to import this. How to import. So we have already discussed we are using PIL, that is Python imaging library. That is, I am just importing image from that library. How to import that? From PIL import image. So this is the way we have to import the package by import the image module from the package PIL. That is, from if we need to import anything from the library or package means we have to use the from. Then we have to create that. How we can create that means from PIL import image. So I am just using the PIL package along with the image. So we will start with the process. First thing is how to open an image. How to open an image. So I am first we need to import that is PIL import image. So first I need to import that. The next thing is we have to create one variable to store our image. Image dot open. This will inside this open we have to give the image which we need to work on that. Here I am having one image data dot jpg in the Visual Studio, that is in my path itself. So I am just using this. If you have PyCharm or Visual Studio, you can just copy paste the images which we have in your own system, or you can download from anywhere. So just I am pasting that image in my folder itself. So I am just using that image for the entire image processing technique. So to open the specific image file, we have to give image.open that image name, image data.jpg. This is what my image name here. So I am using that. Yeah, this is the way we have to open an image. After that, we have to show that. There is a command to display the image, that is im.show. Im.show will display the specific image which we have given inside the open. So the first thing is we have to import the image from the fill package. The next thing is we have to open the specific image, and next thing is we have to display that. Yeah, I'm running this code now. So we got an image. This is the way we have to open and display the image by using the image processing techniques. So the next thing is to get the properties. We are having some specific properties to get that, to get properties in image. Yeah. Normally we are having, we will have some format or size, etc. in image. So we will get that property by using the properties command. Just I'm displaying the image. After that, I'm getting the format. That is whether it is a JPG or PNG. That is what display in the format. im dot format. The next thing is mode. That is print. Sorry, size. Im dot size. So size means what will be the width and height. This is what we are going to display now. I'm just running this code. I'm commanding this first part. So the first thing is I display that image that by using im.showOff. So it is displaying the image. And after that, I'm just giving im.format. Format means it will show whether it is a JPG or PNG image. After that, I'm printing size. Size will display width and height of the specific image, which is image data here. So this is the way we have to get the property for format and size in image processing. The next thing is to save an image file. To save an image file. So I'm just pasting this. Here we are having image data.jpg, but I need to save the file in other name. For example, I'm saving this im.saveoff. That's a command for saving the image, that is save off. So im.saveoff, I'm just saving the images image value.jpg. So I'm just saving the image by using the another one name, that is image value. I'm just running this code. So here we will get another one image value. Yeah, image value.jpg. This is what we gave in this path, im.saveoff. So it will display the im value.jpg. So this is the way we can resave the image name by using the other name. The next thing is image resizing. Yeah. We can resize the original image. That is, I'm just pasting the code. After that, I'm creating another one new variable, that is new im is equal to, I'm just giving im dot resize of. Inside that, I'm giving another one width and height here. For example, I'm giving 400, 300. So 400 is the width here and 300 is the height here. I'm just displaying that image new im dot show off. I'm just running this code. And it will print the image along with the width and height, which is 400 and 300, which we gave in the resizing technique. This is what the resizing will work. Just I give the image which we need to open, and that after that we are having one property called im.resize of. By using that, I am changing the width and height of the particular image, and I am just displaying that. This is the way we have to resize the image. And the next thing is image cropping. So I'm just cropping the image by using one variable. We have to give four values here for four borders. So I'm giving four values, that is 700, 500, 1200, 900. So I'm giving values for four borders and I'm just cropping that image by using crop off. I'm creating another one variable cp underscore image is equal to im dot crop of box. I'm just passing the values which we have stored in that box variable. So I'm just cropping that. After that, we are displaying this cp underscore image dot show off. So I'm running this. So this will crop the image along with the border which we gave inside the box. So this is the way we have to crop the image. The next thing is rotating the image. So how to rotate the image? This is ROT. I'm just creating a variable that is IMROT and I'm just rotating by using the rotate keyword. Inside that we have to give the values in degree. I'm just giving 45. It will consider that 45 as a 45 degree. So im dot rotate of 45 means it will rotate the image by 45 degrees Celsius. After that I am just displaying that image im dot rot dot show off. So I'm just printing that. So this is the 45-degree cropped image. Here we have been able to see that it is cropping the original image, but we didn't get this in a full format. How to reduce that? The thing is by using expand. I will show you the difference. What is the difference? So here I am giving one condition that is expand equal to true. What will this do means I am just running both the code that is rotate and expand. So this is the expand and this is the rotate. Rotate will crop some of the images while seeing that. But if we are using expand is equal to true means it will display the whole image along with the rotation. The thing is expand will display the image without any cropping but along with the rotate function. But if we are using only rotate means it will crop some of the images based upon the degree. So this is what the difference between rotating an image and rotating the image along with the expand. The next thing is flipping an image. For flipping, we are having some specific properties. Okay. Yeah, we are going to flip an image. IMFL is equal to IM dot transpose. For flipping an image, we have to use the property called transpose. Inside that, I'm just giving image dot flip top bottom. So how it will display means IM dot FL dot show all. I'm just running this code. Yeah, it will flip the image from right to left to top to bottom. So we are having some specific properties for flipping an image. That is flip top bottom, flip left to right, and then rotate underscore 90, comma, rotate 180, rotate 270. These are all the properties we are having in flipping the image. I'm just giving rotate 190 here. So I'm running this code. So the image will get rotated in 180 degree, 180 or 90, 180 degrees Celsius. This is the properties we are having inside the flipping an image. By using this any one of the property, we can flip the image. So the last thing is color transform. So what is color transform means in image processing technique, we can able to change the black and white colors. So the normal image will be always in RGB mode, that is red, green, blue mode. But we can use black and white technique here. That is, we are having two modes here, capital L and 1. So I'm just using this both of this. New underscore IM is equal to IM dot convert of. I'm just giving L here, capital L. That's then printing the new IM dot show. So the original image will get into black and white image by using this L. This is for L. And we are having another one mode which is 1. So if I am giving 1 means it will display the image as image in the black mode. Yeah, this is for 1. So these are all the properties we are having inside the image processing techniques. I will just recall this. Image processing is nothing but we can do a specific task in an image or by using an image. In Python, we are having one package called pill or pillow that is used only for image processing technique. To install that, we have to use pip install pillow command. To import that, we have to use from pill import image. The things we have seen in image processing is how to open an image and by getting the properties for format and size, and how to save an image and image resizing technique, image cropping and rotating the image, expanding the image, flipping the image, and the last one is color transfer. These are all the basic techniques we are using in image processing in Python.